Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Let's first just start off with this key area of resistance that's really been a thorn in the side of the chart, and that is the pink line here, which on my chart represents the very famous 200 period moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding in the world of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what's going on here. But the tricky part here is that it's a resistance in the form of not necessarily that the price can't get up above it, but the main problem comes in the sense of the price staying up above it. And the best way to illustrate this is right there. You can see, sure, price broke up above it, but then very clearly could not stay above it, fell back below it. Once again, price broke above it. However, once again, price could not stay above it and fell back below it. And then fast forwarding into today, once again had that again where the price, sure, it got up above that level, but then couldn't quite maintain. Now, of course, there's been some instances both there and some other ones where the price has just, immediately been rejected by it. But the thing is, and what a lot of people don't realize, is that a breakout has two parts. So a true break has the first part, the obvious one, well, yeah, a price has to break above a certain level. But the second part is, can the price actually stay above that level that it broke above? And the whole staying above it, as hopefully I've done a good job illustrating, is where the party is really continuing to stop. So the party gets started, but then it just fails and then, goes right back down. So that is definitely the key level to watch going forward from the resistance standpoint. As far as supports are concerned, key level to continue to watch going forward is going to be right up here at 0.133. So 0.133, if you go through the history of things, you can see there's quite a bit of price history right around that area. Not exact, but definitely price congestion every time the price has gotten around there. But over the past few days, it's very apparent that there's lots of buyers hanging around that area. So lots of sellers hanging up around the 200 period moving average. Lots of buyers hanging down there at the 0.133 mark. So those will be the two key technical levels going into next week. So let's see how this one continues to play out.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.